Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into the best robot vacuums of 2025. From powerful suction power to slim designs for tight spaces or a threshold climbing powerhouse, I'll cover key features, pros and cons, and pricing. By the end, you'll know exactly which robot is the best match for your home and lifestyle. So let's jump in. Let's start with the Eufy E25, which is positioned as the best value choice for people who want a premium cleaning robot without paying a premium on a flagship model. Priced at about $799, it strikes a balance between affordability and powerful performance. The E25 packs 20,000 pascals of suction power, making it strong enough to handle daily dust, dirt, and even pet hair on carpets and hard floors. It also comes with a rotating mop roller that presses down with about 8 newtons of force, allowing it to scrub instead of just wiping. One of its standout conveniences is the self-cleaning dock, which automatically washes and dries the mop roller, keeping it fresh and odor-free. Navigation is handled by a LiDAR system that creates a detailed map of your home, so it cleans in neat, systematic paths rather than wandering. The E25 also handles room transition smoothly, climbing over thresholds with ease so it doesn't stall when moving between floor types. That said, it does have limits. It lacks some advanced features found in flagship models, like retractable LiDAR sensors for ultra-low clearance cleaning, or the kind of advanced chassis that can handle tricky terrain, such as stairs. And while $799 is a good value for what you're getting, it's still not a budget buy. But if you're looking for a capable robot that combines suction, mopping, and low-maintenance cleaning at a fair price, the E25 delivers excellent entry-level value. If mopping is your number one priority, the Narwhal Flow is built to be your perfect match. Retailing for about $1,299, it goes all in on scrubbing technology, setting itself apart from standard hybrid vacuums. Instead of flat mop pads, the Flow uses a roller mop system that spins under pressure, about 12 newtons, to actively scrub away sticky messes and stubborn stains. This makes it one of the most powerful mopping robots you can buy. It also automatically lifts its mop up about half an inch when it rolls onto carpets, so your rugs stay dry. After cleaning, the dock automatically rinses the mop roller with hot water and then dries it with warm air, keeping things hygienic and odor-free. On the vacuum side, it still has 20,000 pascal suction, so you're not sacrificing vacuum power for better mopping. Navigation is equally smart thanks to AI-powered LiDAR, which builds precise 3D maps of your home and avoids common obstacles with ease. And it also supports voice commands with Hey Nawa. For homes with large areas of hard flooring like tile, hardwood, or stone, it's a serious upgrade over traditional vac and mop hybrids. Now, this isn't perfect. It uses a lot of water, so bigger homes will need frequent refills, and it doesn't automatically add detergent. It requires the user to manually add detergent to the clean water canister, and naturally at $1,299, it's not a small purchase. But if spotless floors are a must-have in your household, few robots match the Narwhal Flow's mopping power and convenience. If you share your home with dogs or cats, you already know how relentless pet hair can be. That's where the iRobot Roomba Max 705 comes in. It's designed specifically with pet owners in mind. Priced at around $599.99 on sale, it offers premium features at a more approachable price point. This Roomba is equipped with dual anti-tangle rubber brushes, which flex and adjust to different surfaces while resisting the buildup of hair. Combined with suction that iRobot claims is up to 180 times more powerful than its early models, the Max 705 excels at pulling fur, dirt, and dander from both carpets and hard floors. It also uses Clearview Pro LiDAR and AI-powered obstacle detection to intelligently navigate around furniture, toys, and even pet waste, reducing the risk of unpleasant accidents. On top of that, the Auto Empty dock can hold up to 75 days worth of debris, which is a major convenience for busy pet owners. What makes the Roomba Max 705 shine in practice is how pet-aware it feels. It knows how to handle areas with more fur, moves seamlessly between carpet and hard floors, and saves you time by managing hair without constant cleaning of the rollers. The large capacity dock also minimizes maintenance. On the flip side, the internal bin is small, so it leans heavily on the dock to compensate. Plus, it doesn't use a camera system like some premium rivals, so object recognition isn't as advanced. But honestly, those are minor issues when the real focus is pet hair. Overall, with its mix of suction, smart navigation, and hair-resistant brushes, the Roomba Max 705 is one of the best investments a pet owner can make. Now, let's talk about a robot that's built for tough jobs. The Mova V50 Ultra Complete. This one is priced around $1,399, and it's all about raw power and handling obstacles that trip up other robots. First up, suction. This thing packs an impressive 24,000 pascals. If you've got thick carpets or a home that tends to collect a lot of dust and pet hair, you'll definitely feel the difference. It also has a special Turbo Wave Duo brush system that channels long hairs away from the rollers to prevent tangles. For mopping, it uses 2 rotating pads with warm water and about 8 newtons of pressure, and one pad even extends outward to hit edges more effectively. The mop pads automatically lift when they detect carpet, so you don't have to worry about soggy rugs. What makes the V50 really stand out is its ability to handle thresholds. Thanks to its Flexi-Rise lift system, with its dual-stage climbing system, it can smoothly cross 2-tiered obstacles up to 60 millimeters, or 2.3 inches high, as well as tackle straight rises of 38 millimeters, or 1.5 inches, making transitions far easier than with most competitors. Its dock is equally advanced, featuring dual-solution tanks, one for standard cleaning and one for pet odor treatment, as well as hot water mop washing and a dust bag that lasts up to 100 days. On the positive side, the Mova V50 Ultra is incredibly powerful, versatile, and specialized for challenging home layouts. But it does have some downsides. Its obstacle avoidance system is only average, missing more objects than some premium rivals. Overall, the V50 is perfect for households that want maximum suction and need a robot that won't get stuck on thresholds or rugs. Now, let's talk about the Roborock Saros 10R, a robot made for homes where dirt hides under low furniture. With a height of only 3.14 inches, it's slim enough to glide under couches, beds, and cabinets that most other robots can't reach. Priced at about $1,599, it's firmly in the premium category, but it's far from just a slim design. For such a slim machine, the Saros 10R is surprisingly powerful. It offers 22,000 pascals of suction, giving it the strength to lift pet hair, dirt, and fine dust from both hard floors and carpets. The new Duo Divide brush system is also designed to reduce tangles, splitting long hairs before they can wrap around the brush roll. A huge advantage for pet owners. It also comes with StarSight 2.0 navigation, which uses cameras and sensors to detect even small obstacles. This makes it one of the best at avoiding socks, cables, or pet toys. And just like the other robot mops, the dock here can wash and dry the mop pads with hot water and air, so maintenance is minimal. Of course, being slim means compromises. The onboard dustbin is small, around 270 milliliters, and while the dock auto-empties it, it's not ideal for big messes if the dock isn't nearby. Navigation is also a little slower compared to taller LiDAR-based bots, though it still gets the job done. And naturally, it comes with a steep price tag. Still, for anyone who struggles with cleaning under low furniture, the Saros 10R is a rare blend of slim design and uncompromising power. And finally, the Dream Aqua 10 Ultra, my pick for the best overall robot vacuum and mop combo of 2025. This machine is just packed with features. Let's start with suction, a jaw-dropping 30,000 pascals, the most powerful I've seen so far. It's not just numbers either. In real-world tests, it picked up almost all fine sand and pet hair across both hard floors and carpets. Then there's the mopping. Dream uses a unique dual roller system. One nylon roller and one fluff roller that scrubs and constantly rinses with fresh water. It even lifts itself on carpets and seals them off, so you don't have to worry about wet rugs. This setup rivals Narwhal for sheer cleaning effectiveness. The dock is also next level. It can auto-empty dust into bags, wash the rollers with boiling hot water, dry them, and refill the water tank. It even dries the dust bag itself to prevent odors. Navigation is another strength. Its advanced AI obstacle avoidance competes with Roborock's best system and often outperforms it in real-world tests. And with a big battery, it runs longer than Eufy or Roborock, covering large homes without issues. The price is around $1,599, so it's on the pricey side like the Roborock Saros 10R, but frequent sales make it easier to grab. And it's big, and a bit complex, so there's naturally more to maintain over time, even though the dock takes care of most of it. Overall, for households seeking maximum cleaning performance with full automation, the Dream Aqua 10 Ultra delivers a complete solution. Its combination of strong vacuuming, deep scrubbing, smart navigation, and hands-off maintenance makes it a premium choice for 2025. Alright, that wraps up today's roundup. Hopefully this breakdown helps you figure out which option fits your needs best. Thanks for hanging out, and I'll see you in the next video.